Welcome all. Our today's topic is web browser and web server. As in the previous lectures, we have learned, we have come to know about internet, intranet, extranet, www, and many things. Today, we will know these two concepts, that is web browser and web server, that we can access information via web browser, or we can see our relevant information in a web browser, and all the information is available on web server. So let's check the basic concept of web browser and web server. Internet provide the facility to connect web browser to the web server. Web browser will request to the server, and server will response to the as browser will request to the server, and server will respond to the client. Here we have two main concepts, that first of all the web browser should connect with the internet, and after that this will request. Okay, and after response the connection will close. Okay, this is the main idea of web browser and web server. Web browser web browser or internet browser is a software program to present and explore content on the world wide web, or we can say www have some information in the form of web pages, or we can say in the form of coding, and web browser provide a facility to render this information to the user, so that user can easily access, easily check the information without going in the coding format. These pieces of content, including pictures, videos, web pages, hyperlinks, and classified with URIs, Uniform Resource Identifiers. The page is an example of a web page that can be viewed using a browser. There are many different web browsers nowadays. You will use that when you will use Google Chrome, you can use Microsoft Edge, you can use Microsoft Firefox, Opera, Apple Safari, Amazon Silk, and there are many web browsers are available to access information from the web server. Now, what is the needed for a web browser to work? To web browser, we needed a device in which we can run this browsing software. These devices could be a computer, a smartphone, tablet, or anything. If you have connection and you are connected to the internet, you can access information via browser. Now, our web server. A web server is a combination of software and hardware that uses HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, and other protocols to respond to client request made over the www. Or in simple words, we can say that web browser is a place where all these information is available. All these web pages are stored, okay, from which will provide the relevant information on a client request. Besides HTTP, web servers also support SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It's an important protocol. If we want to send any mail, any message to another computer, then this facility will be provided by SMTP. And another protocol, that is File Transfer Protocol, used for email, file transfer and storage. Web server uses. Web servers often come as a as part of a larger package of internet and internet related programs that are used for sending and receiving mails, downloading requests for file transfer protocols, building and publishing web pages. It have the web server have the facility to create web pages dynamically and provide the information as per the user need. So this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes with the help of these given contents.